Hello everyone, I am Sandhya Irani, working as Assistant Professor in Dr. D.Y. Patil ECS College, Akodi, Department of Microbiology. I am recording this video for International Faculty Development Program on Environment and Sustainability. Topic of my presentation is Greenhouse Gas Emission from Livestock and its Mitigation Strategies. These are the details of my previous videos. What will be the outcome of this video? First of all, we'll get to know the percentage of greenhouse gas emission in India. Out of the total percentage of greenhouse emission in India, how much percentage is contributed by livestock and agriculture? And what are the methods we can use to minimize these emissions? ISO 14001 2015, this code is for environment and it is applicable to any organization regardless to its size, but the main motto should be it should apply to the environmental aspects of its activities. ISO 14001 EMS framework, that is Environment Management System. Its framework consists of context of the organization, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation and improvement. India ranks third position for largest emitter greenhouse gas after USA and China, and the main sources are coal plants, agriculture and livestock. In the Paris Agreement, India has pledged to reduce 33 to 35% of emissions by 2030. Paris Agreement is between United Nations. It is regarding greenhouse gas emission and climate change. In 2015, India alone has emitted 2.7 tons of greenhouse gas emissions. Now, the reasons. Enteric fermentation is one of the major reasons for greenhouse gas emission. Manure excreted and applied to the soil, manure storage, processing and transportation. What is enteric fermentation? It is a natural part of digestive process of ruminants where microorganisms ferment and break down the plant biomass eaten by the animal. And the gaseous waste product we get out of this enteric fermentation is carbon dioxide and methane. In manure is decomposed by bacteria which produce methane and carbon dioxide. The major greenhouse gases produced are methane and nitrous oxide. Methane is produced by enteric fermentation, and methane alone has 28 times higher effect on global warming than carbon dioxide. Nitrous oxide is released from manure storage, and it is also effective. It largely affects global warming. This is the data. Beef, dairy cattle, buffaloes, pigs, sheep, goats, how much amount of methane and nitrous oxide they emit. Mitigation strategies. Mitigation potential, it consists of actions to limit the intensity or rate of global warming and its effects. In enteric fermentation, forage quality, feed processing, concentrate inclusion, dietary lipids, electron receptors, ionophores, and methanogenic inhibitors are some of the mitigation potential or mitigation strategies we use. In manure storage, solid liquid separation, anaerobic digestion, decreased storage time, frequent manure removal, phase feeding, reduced dietary protein, and nitrification inhibitors. In animal management, genetic selection is one of the most important steps. Health of an animal, increased reproductivity, reduced animal mortality. This is the chart where the categories are divided and the production of methane and nitrous oxide is given. References. Thank you.